You sitting on the edge? Yeah. Emma, can you say dog?
Do-do.
Do-do. Can you say cat? Maybe? No, not quite. Can you say pool? Pool? Emma, can you say dada?
Do-do.
Dada. Oh yeah? Do you like this pool? Yeah. Emma, can you say mama?
Mama.
Good girl. Can you say yay? Yay! Clap, clap, clap. Good girl. You look so cute there.